The penthouse did what you call living luxury. Remember they didn't have a leaving heat. They would sleep while you want.
Music hustle grind. It's bigger than a brand. It's a lifestyle.
Shit.
No rain. We don't need no rain. We're trying to duck the rain.
Right. Already making me nervous how we going on this bridge.
I know.
I hate this bridge. This is the worst bridge ever. I hate it.
The Skyway Bridge, look
Yes.
at that fishing. Look.
Right. Right. Out there fishing.
Like, all the piers are definitely gonna be lit. They always lit
When it raining too. Nobody give a fuck.
the food, the speakers,
Right.
the gases. Here we go.
Ugh, I hate this bridge.
Voice talk.
Forced out.
What up, MHG Gang? You're now tuned in their life. LilTMHG. We're going down to Nokomis. Yeah, we're going down to Nokomis. We're currently on the Skyway Bridge right now.
Yes.
And we're in Porsche. We're having Porsche talk. We're going to the beach, so we ducking the rain. Today is a Saturday. Tomorrow, Valentine's Day. And we got Bay on the camera, you know.
You know.
If you don't know, now you know. And we're on the Skyway Bridge, and obviously,
Yes.
that's why he just recording instead of looking at the phone while I'm over eating Cracker Jacks.
Right.
And y'all probably wonder why last time I'm in Florida, and I got a beanie in my head and a tank top. I saw something. Cause it's cold right now for me. Cause I got that haircut. You know what I'm saying? I had that bit. Shout out to my barber, Fade Master. Look him up on IG. I'm gonna put it on the YouTube. Shout out to my barber, one of the best barbers in the game. He came from Miami, moved to Tampa, starting his life over. And he's having a great journey thus far. Tomorrow we got the entanglement event going. Me and the whole park is going. Everybody is gonna be lit. I've been to the event by Your Highness multiple times. Crazy event. They have a lot of marijuana vendors. You know, we do things the legal way. They have edibles, tarot card reading, yoga, movies playing. Look how traffic be. See how they do? Show them traffic. See how they do. And I got a little bit of road rage too. But
Traffic
people
just be
still
awful.
down.
Damn. A lot of people over here. Wonder what they doing. Yeah, traffic just be bad here.
That's because everyone is chilling at this point right here.
Right.
It's pretty good. Nothing but water, you guys. This is one reason I definitely moved to Florida. We have the water like no other.
It be raining, not even.
But if it rained, though, it may rain for like
On the
a
other
split
side.
second and then.
Right. It be gone the same day.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going to the entanglement event by Your Highness. Amazing event if you come out to Tampa, Florida. Definitely check them out. Follow her on YouTube. She's an amazing woman on an amazing journey. Independent grind. Oh, can y'all stay in y'all lane? That's what I need y'all to do. Stay in y'all lane. I need them, Mr. Yeah. But hope everybody have a good Valentine's Day. It's Love Day. Drop in the comments what you doing for Love Day. And Don't be sad because you ain't got nobody. Or you feel you ain't got nobody because you do got somebody. You got yourself. You can love yourself. Buy yourself something. Do something nice. With that materialistic shit. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm talking with my mouth. Occupied. We ain't had no breakfast yet.
Cracker Jacks are breakfast.
And I left my chicken at the stove. I mean, at the restaurant.
Right.
Outback. Shout out to Outback with the kookaburra rings. Them just was good, but not there. Not at that spot.
They did them wrong. Something.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know. I like them. I like the ribs that I had last night.
Yeah, I tasted them last night. I had a bite or two of them. And they was good.
Knew you'd get on them.
Y'all move.
I wouldn't know how to drive.
Look, me son. This is Carla.
See, this is the problem. We live in a state where all the tourists come and all the old people come and they don't mix because everybody's slow. And then you got people who live here who are slow too. Everybody's slow.
I'm gonna move. That pussy top. Birkin, Louis.
She got a little dog in her lap.
Well, hold that little dog. Need to move. We go.
Big ass bumps.
But yeah, hopefully the sun bob out down at the beach. Hannah and Kingsman. We're down here and the whole game. We'll have drinks, food, good vibes, all day type shit. This little getaway because I'm always on the grind like 24/8. And I work from the house, entertain the house. So it's good to sometimes have like a downtime day for you. You better chill and have fun. Get away. I don't do that too often. All I know is grind. You know, I love the G part of my brand and my company. The grind part, I love that part. I stick to that part more importantly. Because you lose focus when you don't. And that's what it's about. Staying focused. It's easy to get distracted. It's hard to stay focused. You can hear me say that a lot of times in my videos. We in the Porsche. And she a gas guzzler. Don't get that shit twisted. I can't wait to actually. I want to start doing like reviews on my cars, and just in general, I do want to. I want like the weed vlogs. I want to do a lifestyle coaching vlog. I want to talk about what it's like to own a foreign car, the maintenance, because everybody always says, oh no, I don't go get no foreign car because it's expensive. And that's not necessarily true. I own plenty of foreign cars, own them. I ain't talking about financing. See what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with financing, I don't know that, but over here we practice and we, actively live on owning, pink slip, everything. You know what I'm saying? It may not be the newest, but it's mine. Can't nobody take it from me. And that's very important in today's time, especially to y'all youngins. If you're having the mindset on whether if I need to rent it or whether if I need to own it. If you can own it, go own it. But also just be reasonable. Just because everybody else got it don't mean you need to have it. Look at it. Look at this traffic. Look. It ain't even traffic. You can't drive. Why are you in the fast lane? Why are you in the fast lane and driving this slow? The person in the slow lane driving faster. I don't understand it. Yeah, I got a little road rage too, but still, at the same time, it's just like, it don't make no sense. Good. Horsepower. I ain't got no turbo in there, but I was actually thinking, Matt talking about, yeah, we should get a turbo and put a turbo in there. But I do want to park this and I'm gonna get a sedan soon. Let's go. We're doing 100, you guys. We're in Mexico. Okay? We're in Mexico right now. You feel me? They locked in like that. We in Mexico. Look, I like how they got the. I do and don't. That's why I say kind of reminds me of at home. They got all these cookie cutter houses and them shits is nice as hell. But they so close together, like you can literally look out the window and look into your neighbor's house type shit.
I mean, like your setup.
Hold on, my setup ain't like that. I got me a little privacy.
A little.
It's enough, ain't it?
Yes.
Right. Make do what you got. Make sure the camera on me and make sure it's on point now. Make sure it's on point now.
Yes.
Make sure it's busting. But yeah, like I said, I definitely want to park this. Ain't no wrong with this. My Porsche, my 04 Porsche Cayenne S, all-wheel drive, has about 167,000 miles on it. I bought it at 140,000 miles on it. So yeah. And I've only had to do like simple maintenance. Head gasket. That to me, that's simple, because when you get a used car, that's something that you know that off the rip that you need to go get done. The head gasket, we do oil changes. I haven't done any spark plugs yet. Change the battery. It's a lot I do want to do, because I want to wrap it. Go do custom intake. Get this seat fixed right here, because this seat got a little traffic get dead. Look at this. Look how they just build up stuff. You got the outlet, the LM10 premium outlet over here to your left, you guys. They got everything over there.
It's like a mall.
I know it's the premium outlet. If you got it, you got that bag, you can go spend it. We're going down south today. The Manatee River.
It's traffic. Oh, here it is. Oh, pretty.
Get my big head out the view.
It's pretty.
So I wanted to get footage, the content. Shout out to iPhone with the 12 Pro Max. Soon we gonna have it where y'all gonna be able to go put in that LilTMHG coupon. Off, and be able to get your iPhone for cheaper. It's on the way. I'm speaking into existence. Manifest it. Act on it. You can really make it happen. How you think I'm not young, but I am young, like, to own a Porsche, to own a BMW, to own a Mercedes Benz, because I've owned those, and to own a house and things like that. So, but ain't nothing you can't do regardless of the age. Ain't nothing you can't do. You put your mind to it. Work hard for it. Stack up what you gonna sacrifice in order to be able to get there. But at the same time, I be wanting to show others how to do it, because the same person holding this camera right here, he gonna be the Hellcat. You feel me? Like, if that's what he want or whatever he want to go get. Anybody that's with me and that's on the journey, they gonna be doing the same thing. Whatever you want that's gonna make you happy and you enjoy to have, you work hard, you gonna better get it. Them GMC Sierras, them motherfuckers hard right there. Them motherfuckers hard. I give you one. Oh, that's what we need right there. That Sprinter joint. That big boy joint. Traffic a little thick. I'm trying to get up out of this shit. We gonna duck it here in a minute.
It's pretty over here, though.
It's gonna open up again. I was tourist shopping.
Right.
Y'all better watch out. Cause I might have your boo take your boo tourist shopping. But we don't want the small bag, we want the big bag. And let me pick. I get to pick. Won't count. I should do what they doing, but I really don't like to just follow other people. But in order to be a good leader, you have to learn how to be a good follower. But it depends on who the fuck you following. Don't get that twisted. That part is real. They kill me. Look at this, y'all. This spot there remind me of going back home to North Carolina. We're not in the beach no more. we not in the city no more, you do. Everybody got these trucks.
Always the trucks. Same trucks.
Like everybody said, I want mine in black.
And either GMC or Ford.
Let's see that little shit car. They crunched up in that shit like.
Right.
Look, show on me. Show on me, baby. They crunched up in like them. They better not rain, I'm gonna be mad.
Huh?
I said, it better not rain. I'm gonna be mad. Oh, that's 12. Fuck 12. When we see the police, what we do?
Fuck 12.
Without that badge, you a bitch and a half, nigga. Fuck the police.
Oh my god.
You feel me?
Just a little game.
Is it mine?
Yep.
Oh, it's inside. In here?
Yep.
You gotta open it?
Yep. Oh.
See, when you got that, you know when you're an OG driver, when you can let your leg, do the steering for you, you feel me? Don't try this at home, kids. Don't try it at home. It's not for the weak-minded. If I can get this shit open.
Do you need help?
See, they trying to slam on their brakes, but they still ain't fucking with me though. I still got it. Knee on the steering wheel, killing it. Don't try this at home, kids.
Not recommended.
All right. What happened? It's not opening. What the fuck?
Come here.
Oh, I got it. Unlock classic games. Find, visit, follow, start playing. Let's see what I got.
A sticker!
A sticker! Whoop. That's how we rocking. In the traffic. No hands. Look, mom, no hands.
No hands.
Oh, they can't even stay in their lane. You missed them. That little shit, she couldn't even stay in their lane. They was like, all over here real fast. Oh, there we go. Here's the bullshit, you guys. I just knew we were going to get some bullshit today. I need to go ahead and get all the way the other way. Alright, guys, we'll holler back at you when we get to the beach. See you soon. Be safe. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day weekend. Spread love, show love, be love. Beautiful water, beautiful. This is real Florida water. Amazing water. This is nothing like up north, or whatever you want to call it. We got Hannah out here. We got Harvey out here. Got Kingsman. Harvey's like, why don't you hold the camera? Okay, I'll hold it. I had to get all the suntan all on Harvey's body so he won't burn up. Cause his ass will burn all the way the fuck up. He out here thugging, trying to be on, look at her. There's Hannah. Hey, Anna. Kingsman. What you doing? You're supposed to be looking for treasure.
I want to.
You don't want to look for treasure right now?
No.
What are you doing? You taking more sand to put it in the water? You putting seashells in the water? That water's cold. Oh my God. That water's cold, you guys. Ooh, that water's cold. It's lit though. Beautiful day. Taking a day off. With a vibe. That's how they come to Florida for. Look at her. She lit. Ooh. my God. That was too cold. That'd be a cool little.
Right. Right.
Oh my God, my camera works so good out here. Watch this. Watch this. I can zoom up on Kingston. Watch this. There's Kingsman. He's the one who throws seashells in the water. He fights the water. Kingsman! In his own world thugging. It's so beautiful. Look at the sky. We about to go enjoy this shit some more. But definitely wanted to check in with y'all. Let's get the vibes. Y'all be good. Y'all enjoy your Valentine's Day weekend. But we dance the right way. Look at Hannah's ass.